So him have to take him own time. After this a disgrace, I swallow him spit. And if he do love me, he will be back. Him can't love me and not come back to him. Because whatever is to be, is to be. But you see me right now, I'm beautiful and nice. I release, I relax. Because it's a little lumber with Dewey. Me not gonna come 19 times and tell you what happened.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
While everybody are dip them out in a Queenie and Dewey marital affairs, and I talk about how Dewey is an opportunist and him did just want to use Queenie to reach a foreign. Queenie come out and defend her husband and put them in a them place and make them understand say, here what? Uno can talk all uno want talk, me no care what uno have to say. And if uno go too hard for my husband, me a diss uno up, is what Queenie say. You understand? That's why Richie Feeling said earlier, and Richie Feeling said, listen, leave Dewey and Queenie business alone, cause uno a go shame. And see it? It was not long before Queenie come out and say, uno better watch what uno try to say about my husband, you know. Because, anyway, family, uno take a listen to what Queenie say right here. So, Queenie a defend up her man. I want to know.
My business with them. You think me look like my business with them want right out there? Why you think I put it out there? To make everybody learn and know that it's a process. See me I come live with me at two different things. It takes time. Right. So at the end of a good day, me can't hear or the one I we married we do it. One on married to me and do it. Because everybody watch it. When I see the night time, when I see the wedding, when I see everything. So now when me broken, when I want to hide it.
True.
Right, and then everybody afford me come off for the internet. Come off for what? Come off. Yeah, like how you the planet to watch. I see me more on the planet to express myself. So when I'm not on the internet, I'm gonna stay in here, think, depress my mind, run overtime. Right, I've got a fan base. Remember, I create my name from a long time, you know. My name. So whether I have man, whether I have woman, whether I'm a single, whether I'm married, I am the queen. So I'm gonna stand for myself. So if I am done and have a platform with this, with all of my loyal, royal, crazy, them women are going to help my ball, them are going to help my cuss. Some of them are going to have me up. So my love hard, I'm drop back and be idiot, but don't mean to don't you can't take me for idiot, you know, me have to turn myself in an idiot for you. Right. So me I go watch, me I go observe. So really for fuck. Me, when me come out for the internet, I'm in my house, me have to deal with my marriage with me and my husband. Yes. So all of what these people say, I appreciate the support, but I still have to make my own decision. So what am I trying to show me? Say if my daughter dead and gone, I can't do nothing about it. If me have a rough time with my husband, me not expect it. So you can't put that on my head. People say, all through the world expect me and do it for always be happy. I'm gonna hide that this is sad time. No! When I get happy time, and when sad time come, I stand up sad with una help me sad. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Who shall I fear? I fear no evil. The only fear I have is Father God. I'm not afraid of nothing else. I'm not afraid of shame. I'm not afraid of embarrassment. I'm not afraid of disgrace. I'm not afraid of judgment. No man can't cast a stone for me. You know, help me. But I still don't want to pass on a place too much. And tell me what you know about my life. Because at the end of a good day, no know the feelings and the urge and all of the things. But me's a rebellious woman. And when my heart heavy and I start sweat and my hand tremble, I have to let it out. I would have asked you, said, do we come up? It will come up. If somebody this is mother son, that make it come up. He's alright, if I clear him head. Me alright too. God know what God wanted that mix up to happen. Because it's for the better or for the worse. Husband and wife. So no sit there and be unfair to yourself and not true to yourself and sit down and depend on my relationship. For always stay happy. No, you're not unfair to bat me as much as you love me. Because Queenie, me never want that time. Me never want it, but shit happen in everybody's life. All if it's not a man relationship. Shit happens. Now, you're going to look for do it.
You want to come, Jerry? We have here 3 outside.
No, but I look for do it. Do it all right. Dewey is quite complacent where him is. Would lucky Queenie. What that mean? We here, Dewey? No man, you don't know what's in a ground corner. Dewey not there. Dewey there, I'm gonna tell us that Dewey there. Dewey not there. I spoke to him, but he's not here. It's some of this. I'm not this him, but just rinse him. There's one my husband, you know. Say if you run the left me and stand up to me, may I make the whole world rejoice. All who do I rejoice. And them just with the lights, I'm just pretty and nice and relaxed. I get it off of me. I don't know I'm not hold grudge. If the family tell me let's go! No! Go back now, man. If it's me not allowed to do that at Elham Powder House. I don't want every minute they put my husband name. They put my husband name. I'm satisfied now. You understand? And you see, because I don't want to play tricks to them, I'm just showing how bad that bolt me is. When you come blackmail me, I come tell me about you know, the expect me. I do left there for 1 year and 7 months. I'm married 1 year and 1 month. So why have this big theory going and things leak out? You know, tell me come off the internet, you know, wicked to no bad self. Because I'm not stifle myself and then want to stifle me. Nobody now stifle me. Nobody now make me lie down and soak in a depression. After a ras clap, but me a soak in a milk. You understand? So no one me lie down in there for fret. The man not talk to shirt up with my royal crazes. But it's good, you know, because let me telling you something. This is a rehabilitation for me. Rehabilitate me. And at the first I'm married and there's ins and outs in everything. Look good it. Jesus Christ, Queenie! Listen, the way I love myself to pussy clot. And the way I love myself, me not break myself. I will cry, I will scream, I will roll. But listen, it's enough for us to do it ungrateful and I'm an opportunist. And I know why I'm a war my husband and take it to the internet. You see, it's more than opportunist. I love sweet to that bad and don't so bad. Yesterday refuse them, I refuse everything and I say I don't want it and I work so hard and put in so much. And that won me. If do an opportunist, do it with me 1 year and 7 months. Him could have my bank details. Him could have my money them where they are Jamaica. I'm not give a nothing. Him just stay there and just let me call all the shots. And I don't like that. Which you might look on it say, Queenie, you're more experienced. I don't know the fuck on it. But you need to communicate. So, you can't tell me say Dewey love me. Me not believe you know. You can't tell me say Dewey is a opportunist. Me not believe you know. I'm telling you this. It's a man who are opportunist. Them in everything. Them watch every penny. Them borrow it. Them say they go get cousin. Not my husband. You see if him vex, not even eat him or eat him no want nothing. Opportunist vex and take what them want, take and go with it. Opportunists take your money and borrow it. But you see, communication, you see if you don't have that, you see me say, I not get through to the man, I'm so powerful. I say, I not give up. I say, I not give up. I turn to my royal crazies. Make them share up that for lunch, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Who have seconds. That's what I done. So one of you understand, I not look no sympathy. I not look no sorrow, I not look no pity. I look for that support. Listen to me. The support I'm looking for you lot is not for to tell me what to do, when to stop, or when to start. Because if you don't support me, and then still tell me, my child for make me see man I got turn against you now. If you don't support me and go too far with my husband, I still I got turn down you. Because remember, I still my husband. And if you take in consideration, say everybody have ups and downs. Don't tell me for hide my ups and downs and to me telling about my ups and downs. It's a rehabilitate uno as well. So uno still have to draw the disrespect line cannot go too far. Because if you don't say nothing too hard about doing my heart I go beat same because I love my husband, I just not want him because him not want me. So the one time not want me, I not want your back. When you want me, I want your back. You understand me? They say no hypocrite mad me more than how do I mad me? No mad me, cause me's a powerful woman with understanding. I used to remember like challenge. My husband give me the challenge, but he didn't stand up to me and communicate with me. So him leave me with no choice than to turn to my family and internet. Because I do have an internet family. Kind of phone and know me. So when I chat to tell me come off of internet. How am I for come off when I saw and know me when I'm an internet family? It don't make no sense. Go on in, go rest and I come back. You know when I rest in here, I'm mad, I go mad and mash up the house so I have to satisfy myself. So if like this, mash. If when I'm a true royal crazy, you know, guy understand. But guess what happened? So much girl I live sad life. So much girl will never have a husband. So much girl will never talk for them get defeat. So much girl will never talk for them and them man have ups and downs. So them are the one who right now and hide and I laugh. One girl call me, she laugh. Like me a tickle her. Me say, I tickle her. Laugh, she clear, so she laugh after me, you know. We should even like do that rehabilitate me. That make me stronger. You see, for my husband here, my husband coming to a big broad world because the love when I'm showing and just blow up. No, the blow when blow up, him have to go back down for build back. Listen to me, you know. Him never see this coming. The Wally Pack class and the viral this and the viral that, him support me the best him can. But it's a lot. It's not everybody can stand success. It's not everybody can stand fame. It's not everybody can stand the celebrity role. It's a lot. So, before it make me feel like I am less of a wife, me just try and say, listen to war! To get my word out. Me a war the queen is I am. To get my speech across. Me don't know when the next step I gonna be. If I got their back, I will not got their back. But remember, we are husband and wife. Man, they're 30 years and them have 300 million problem with them go through and them still the 30 years. It's life. I remember, God up there, sir, is our spiritual pastor. So in our God eyes, for better or for worse, in sickness or in health, for good or bad, rich or poor. You see them vows there, where you not help me say? Me have to scream out loud to the church. The whole congregation. For the church pray for me. The church criticize me. For the church testimony. This is my testimony here I'm giving. So me have to scream out for you to come now as a congregation. Unity is strength. United we stand, divided we fall. So me unite with me as girl power because I don't know you know like a shell. And the man doing something. The man come, I have some bad blood which is out there like myself. And then sometimes no matter how bad we is, we settle for less because of love. Settling for less don't mean necessarily settle for less. It means you have a bread, a slice of bread, and because you eat 10 slices already, you want to give that person just the one slice what you have. So that is what settling for less. It don't mean you're dumb. It's the power I have. If me shut down and come off of Instagram, I'm not going to subtract my power. God offers to me a real. You believe me? God, I go see if me I go ball and go and eat Michelle and say, Queenie, dead because do we got? No! You have to have good, bad, and ugly. We could do the good and not see the good. We have the little bad. No, we get blood ugly. You understand me? So God has saved me, I got ball and depressed. You see like this? God has give me a peace, a blessing. Remember me telling you. God has something. So I stand up. I cry like an emotion. I stand up firm again. That's what he wants. A strong. So when them call me, a whole heap of people are going to lead behind me. In the mighty name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Let me tell you this. I was chosen to conquer the world by Instagram, whichever social media. God never met me 52 years ago from a hide in a tunnel. God made me for be the loud terrible, proud, half full. Sweet, nice, loving, caring, emotional, spiritually. Spirit, me, is very spiritual. So it's when the world out there right on a type. It's the spiritual when God give me that blessing. I eat me with and conquer. I'm loving, I'm nice, my personality, I'm full of confidence, I'm just fucking crazy. But you see that positive part about me, I always beat negativity. So when I know I laugh, when I know I type, when I know I rejoice, God give me this power to speak for a lot of ladies, a lot of men, a lot of kids. You hear that? You see the little boy from Birmingham said to me, mother, 14. Him say, Queenie, you make me not commit suicide. He's 14. You see people coming on my DM and reach out to me, special need kids. Gay. It's on a bash gay people. All of we have somebody gay in our family. But we like to judge. You see me have the world. Me have madman friend. Me have ranking friend, thinking friend. Me have gay friend. Me have special need friend. You understand? So, me not judge, me not watch what you have if you're rich or you're poor. You see my lovely personality what I have with my nice self. God make me by this a message. I am a messenger for you lot. Say so now I'm a tear me and I laugh after me. My husband is my husband. He have to come back somewhere or the other. If I have a say Queenie, I don't want him to come back. Queenie, I want him have to tell me that. But in his own time. Them have a saying to say God slow, but him sure God not slow. God do it in his own time. Like why my husband, he's not one act like me like when him tell me 2 months. Say, Chris, me not act like you, take time with me. So I have to take him own time. After this disgrace, I swallow him spit. And if he do love me, he will be back. Him can't love me and not come back to him. Because whatever is to be, is to be. But you see me right now, I'm beautiful and nice. I release, I relax. Because it's a little lumber we do it. I'm not going to come 19 times and tell you what happened. But the 20th time I shall scream like the fat, juicy pig I is. You understand me? So now don't go on the bed. Feel uneasy and feel unbothered. Just pray for Queenie and support Queenie. Don't pity me. Don't sorry for me. When you pity me and you sorry for me, and my son said something about my husband and my tongue against son, it has hurt you know. No. I'm a husband, I'm a love my husband. See like how I love my son, I'm a use example. I'm there Jamaica and kick up him and box him up and choke him. I demands the attention. So if you not give me what my feet I rightfully deserve as a queen, as a warrior, as a strong black wife, a mother, I will fight for my rights. Simple as. Me not violent. I don't know the difference with violence. That is physical altercation. It's a violence. And when you draw a weapon and do all that, me have the glass in and I drink. I'm going to warm up like Sharon Stones up on the chair. I'm going to say, Dewey, you have to talk to me tonight. So when I say I wet him with water, throw water in my face. Dewey, you're not saint. If I throw water in your face, that alone is going to make you feel disrespectful. But because I sit down and warn you for so long, and I said, Dewey, it's a glass house I live in. You're going to make me get ignorant and blood up me and police come? That mean what? I think. I never blood him up. I think. I speak. Nobody not perfect, but it's when you can't control yourself for 10 hours, 12 hours, and somebody avoid you, ignore you, it's hard to know. So you know what now? It's by the time I get up and rush him with this glass, the water splash out. And him try to grab the glass and I say, lick him in him forehead. One little blood. Because your hands constantly up. When them say 7 times rise and 7 times falls, it means to say you have argument and you vex and cuss and say you don't want it. And then you get up back and catch yourself and say, am I chatting shit here? So listen to me, royal crazies. Do not pity me. Not sorry for me. Support me and pray for me. And that's enough for do. Don't sit down there. If you know I rejoice, then rejoice. Because every dog have them there. That's a foolishness. When something when we see them edit, it just make me laugh. Because that's all. No, me not easily listen, make people get to me. Yes, when me get back to one, I call my mouth slimy. Someone slime my mouth pound. So when them I say, you make people dry out like this for me. When you make people dry you out, no, not dry out. Dry out when you do things and go prison, you do things beyond control, and you end up breaking your normality. You're out. No. When I work with my powers, I mean I protect my powers and my energy. When I'm not going to be around on the road, I jump and I skip. Because I go on and I trail. Satan, get thee behind. The devil try to use my husband because I know my husband have a weakness. Nothing wrong with that. It's a test of faith for me. God had test me for so long, how I can turn up in a marriage and what me I go do. God had test me, see if I go war from a marriage. War all the husband who married to me. War all myself. Guys, me a war do, me a war me. If me this do, me this me. If me disgrace do, me disgrace myself. So for me, have that confidence there and do that. I know you human being may approve to. A God, may I show say, may I stand up in a this. If me can't get it by will, I will do it by force. You see me do it by force and it not happen, well, I throw my button in. Me I have my nice husband who I love. And him lock down for me and I communicate and I just sit down like one idiot and then the two of us go and lock down and I idiot. That's why God give me a balance. Him calm and me terrible. You understand? So when me see him shut down, and me I say do it all the way me you put in, you not care, you want to go back home. And the devil you not do it no want to go no blood way. When do it there Jamaica, do it say no want to come to England. Him not care if him come. So if him was an opportunity to that bad and no blood, make it do with the pin number for Jamaica and him no member about it. That's why me and do it mother catch. When do I say me this mother, make me explain again. I did not. I have respect for that lady, but I see that she don't like me. But it no matter because the way I love myself, if me say you don't like me, if me say you don't love me, if I ever like you, have to like me. When me say to do it, say, do it work up on this online banking, him say, baby girl, me no remember the pin. You see that now? So I know start sweat. So because I know I'm going to create beer blessing because that's something you're supposed to remember. You can't leave everything for me as simple as that is. So what I done, I call it mom and spot to try with me to win I care. I say, Odette, you remember your bank pink number them? She said, all of them. I say, well, it's Sunday here, so don't remember the bank number. And remember all of them and more. And things like that you're supposed to remember. Do we can't even wipe him ass. By saying that, me want to justify myself. By saying that to her, she said, remember me said, do we can't even wipe him ass. It's just a figure of speech. And my husband will support me. So he might not do one, but the support and the love him give me that power. So for she say no, nobody diss him like that. Me say, what you call this, Odette? She said, nobody diss him. Me say, Odette, me talk to you later, bye. Never diss the lady. Then when me come off of the phone, now I him rinse. You understand? So me know, so when me take the way to Jamaica and do married to me, me tell her, so when we go up on stage, me dash the bling give my husband that in February last year. And tell him I don't want married. Because him not talk to me. You know matter if me and my husband now argue over woman, you know, that me tell her, you see, in a relationship, the most commonest thing is see a man cheat for you. Me not have that problem with do it because I do it cheat on him WhatsApp and him Instagram, not going nowhere, so fuck you because you're not straight and gonna nowhere. So when me I try to explain to you, do we could I take my purse and take my money go buy shoes and something, him could I take it send go Jamaica, doing no business with blood, him no business, him just lock that down. And I can't have my husband a lock down, so. My husband has to stand up and real as the king. So one of you understand, me have to lick him, I mean for proud as in lick him. Me have to lick him on the internet. For him wake up and smell the coffee, me have to break him and break myself and disgrace myself and then sit down patiently and wait to see what I got. Me don't know where I got him. Because the way I go and buy on the internet, I don't even know if I can even hug back my husband. But it's a love, conquer it all. And may I tell you, you're not confused? Because if you have wisdom, knowledge, and understanding, not confusing in a way, may I say. You have a child, and them take up them phone and all them depend on them game. When you send them go put on some water, then put vinegar in the pot instead of water. This is just an example. Next time you send this child go shop for buy skelly and then buy green string bean can come give. Next time you tell the child for buy planting ripe banana, then buy planting. You see the next block that you send them, you're gonna make sure say them buy the right thing. Because you're gonna lick them in them, either take on the phone, send them in the room and ground them. Family, loved ones. When you have family, there's things and times where you have to draw a line. It's the same way as if you have somebody where you say to me, say, Queenie, make me follow you go shoplift. No, me I ask them for follow me go shoplift. And them I say, Queenie, you know I prefer sell drugs at King's Cross, I can't thief. I have to respect you for that. Because you say it. Because that is something additional to life, liberty. But something like, perfect example. No. You see how life is? You build for 10 years and it can't take one at the and it bash down. You see the simplest? Because of all the chatting on the internet, who will laugh after him, but me like when people laugh after me, we can't cope with it. The fame, the whole heap of chatting, him can't deal with it. You get the drift? Seek and you shall find. No expectation, no disappointment. I make me take the sit down now and block it, sit down at the doorway and say, Dewey, Dewey has to talk to me, something right. I'm all right too. So it's not no wrong or no right. It's about communication. It's about communication. You can't marry to me. And when I say to you, say, do with the us there. Without you, there's no us. Simple, spiteful. So when I say, I'm opportunist and I'm ungrateful. I'm not quick for jump on people ungrateful, but someone not ungrateful on hard self. Me not busy if do want ungrateful, because I send for him, I feel proud. It's up to him if him don't want to make a man out of it. It's like you buy a present and give somebody. And you borrow Stacy money for buy something for Paula. And when you can't go give Paula, Paula say, after me like this, how you buy this car, come give me for. Kill your feeling. You understand? Some people take it and I say, no, me not take it because I put out effort for buy that. So, do we glad them there England and them appreciate them there England. But likewise me, if you not trouble me, with this or not up the evil don't understand by me. It's the same thing. May I cuss him, say him no want to bless him and go home. If him they get up and scan with a woman and go live and look different life, you could have said blood. Him no want to hear me filthy mouth. So no can't tell me about my relationship. As I said, I had was to break that bad news. I bet it always look bad. I bet it will learn from it. Come here, tell you the next learning process. My night before I tell him something, I put it on the internet, you know. I will say it all the while. But I can't look off for my brother Mark. You understand me? You have to communicate with your wife. And before we married him, stay so. But I think same with that take up the ladder up. But every time I go up the ladder, one next snake bite him. You get the drift? So you can't tell me say my husband is an opportunist. My husband is an idiot where blood opportunist is concerned. I'm not pretty up nothing. Do we should I take all control of my money, my all thief out some of me a warm film and then I can say, no, that boy a love sweets. If you send do go shop, when I'm reaching say crazy, where you send me for buy? How much me for use? Just spend and buy what you want buy, do it. So you can't tell me say my husband is an opportunist. And one time my husband buy one game for him Xbox. I buy 2 games for him Xbox. I mean, I know when do I buy a next one. So if I that out of the 1 year and 7 months, I go sit and label my husband opportunist because I come here to come telling the same shut down for me. Me is a back and belly booty. I mean, I'm going to try put nothing in my head. When I have to keep that fucking phone head. I said, Dewey, take the stay where you come at England for your wedding present from me for married to me. Don't make people corrupt your little mind and tell you, say, you come here because you love sweets. You're supposed to love bad sweets. Crazy, my friend, go back to my yard. Me no want to hear that more. You stand up to me, Dewey. Or if you tell me you prefer go back to your yard when God give you that clear away for your flight from his suitcase. If you want that opportunity, the mother then I'm in here to tell me I go back to Jamaica. When I say I go look work, I go better myself and get you for go. You want to go back and lie down a blood and them great June plum tree. So that's why I'm beautiful and fine and nice, because I know my words. I know what I'm in. No, feel Dewey. And no, feel me. It's like when I go a movie. And when I cinema. Tom Cruise lick the man. Tom Cruise now lick the man. Tom Cruise I talk to the man. You understand? I tell the girl say do this. The girl not do it. You have to break down and watch a movie because you can't change it. So you can't come tell me. Him never love her, him did not pretend. Who have you love you? Some man would never even ask one man will never ask enough for married to you. So me just as shown as a strong black woman. Not because he's a queen, not because he's a famous woman, and not because the world love me. Don't mean to say I can't get the feet. But you soon you can stand up on your foot when you drop and stand up blood and say, what? How will you do to just drop me gun? Me go throw back blood clot down. Me not hurt it. You see them things there? Get strength. I make a smile a while. You see it depend on how the people them say, me and Dewey gonna last forever. And them not expect me and Dewey for mash up. And me and Dewey are the sweetest couple. No! You look that fucking fake! You look some fucking fake motherfucker! For expect one blood clot, all of my like blood clot mode 120 blood 32-year-old husband. For life just smooth for no sit down and watch me and do it. So no go! I understand on that self. Don't burden me and take my flat fool. Don't confuse me. For tell me, sir. You're the woman last night, no? Queenie, me shame how you going because me not expect. What you have expectation from my relationship, lady? Your daughter and her man have problem. Your son and her man have problem. So don't expect me, Queenie, not to have problem. There's a difference with Queenie. When me have problem, I mean, it's a problem. As it done, I move on. As it done, you see me rolling at the ground. It doesn't mean the problem's end. When I have problem here, no, Jesus Christ, this should have happened to me. Why not happen to you? That's how me deal with my problem. But it don't mean to say no for sit down and so be wicked to me. I got tell me say me disappoint you. Me never sign a contract with Uno. I've made it for sign contract with Uno for telling us me and doing I have no this a blood clot agreement and no obstacle and no ups and down. I am not real. Why not think me stand up strong and pretty after my daughter dead? Because me see it coming. Me expect it. Me sit down and wait and say, God, how this I go end? And God help me that I come here one day before I come here. And still I say me the run left man, but I still not see the blessing that God give me. I come a day before, and she come in and staying on my bed. And her last word was, Mom, I'm sorry. No matter what no one tell me say. No matter what no one tell me say me run for cocky. It's just that. Me win no. Me conquer no. You understand? Me not ungrateful to life. Me not mourn over spill milk. But when I my milk should have dash them. You understand? So when I say I'm mad, me break down. Me not break down. Me too positive. Me too focused. I shout at the Lord as you see me is. Look how much different mood me go in now. Everybody go through violation. You there work, your boss violate you. Sometimes your mother violate you. Sometimes your father. Life. What is what come after it? So don't sit there, ladies. Men. You know how much man call at me since a little something? I mean, I really think. Should do it gone. Me I go sit down. And come, make you comfort me. Not me, and not take my energy. You see, my husband could have looked at me as an old fool. Him could have take all of my assets them and do what I want to do with them. All them things that bond with me. Do you need to pull more weight? You need to tighten up. You understand me? Do it. Me go somewhere my work and me give the money. You not check the money. Them little things there. And when me say, do you not check the money? No, baby girl, check the money, do it. Simple things like those. We are human. It happens. Me I want a long time I walk with money on finger, I sell teeth and clothes, I do this, I sell here. So me know say business like that. When you as you get people money, you have to check it. Do it go in the army. Do it in a barber one night time, him the work at call center. Do it speed and my speed is totally different. Me the 80% I do it speed. So that 20 way him have, it take a lot of patience. And out of love, I've been patient, and I don't mind because I know what I signed up for. But you say, true him now communicate with me. And it's not just one morning. Let me use on stage for example. It's one stupidness man do I argue from with me start talking not answer me. I want to do that type of thing. Him not answer. I not justify myself about doing mother, you know. But don't tell her already, you know. My sister, the woman don't like me. She rate me do for her son, which any woman would. But she still don't like me. And for that, I will stand my composure. You can't have son and take son and go family yard. Crazy? Me gonna make do it cool out. I'm say no, something like that. You can't not acknowledge me and do that. That's gonna be war. Me not believe do we going on a girl. Me never have that in my intention. Me never, cause anywhere do we go if him go fuck him now go comfortable. Me know my husband, him don't even go want shit in somebody toilet. If do we come at your house right now, him stand up right there. Say if you not tell him move him now move. My husband full of principle. I'm very humble. So it's not about to see him run away with woman. If do we run away with that woman right now, him trick me. My spirit would that tell me. You understand? That's not my fear. My fear is the people are getting them head. And they get to him, I get them in them head. So I kiss body man. And I disgrace him. So they get to it, I get in them head. Remember, you know, you can't get on go one mom, you know. And do a honor and worship his mother. Which I respect that. But you have to know a mother different from wife. You are two great women that in your life, you know. But two different to love. You understand? No, when anything go wrong, doing with his mom have his back. But you have to know it's not all the time you need to have your mom to have your back. So, nothing wrong. Me not fight your mother. Me I look and say when anything happen, and me, as him say, me I tell him come out. It don't mean to say to me, I say come out. Why? Me hear your mother on the phone, me shame. So the shame mama shame because she hear me a baby, you never tell me say she dey on the phone. Me say take out your blood out and go to your mama. We all right them way there. So if she take it up and fear head and send Uber. Remember me no know who are coming on me there, I wait and I say anybody come. Me I war them and take out my husband. Him no one gonna way either. It's just floor up. So from there, sir, me see she send the Uber, then me did send go tell her I said me send her a visa. Me say, how they tell me happy anniversary? True, me and son have something I will come back to England. You know, tell me happy anniversary. But you call me for talk about your son present where you send for him. So you could have the decency to tell me happy anniversary. So I voice note. So the voice note, when my voice note her and she don't answer me and she block me. Me I say, okay. Then when the son run, me say, okay. So listen. Everybody have family law tanglings, in-law tanglings, father tanglings, sister tanglings, cousin. Shit happened. So they can rise above it and stand firm. That's the killer. As I said to my daughter yesterday, she said, Mommy, stop it. Me not like it. I said, nah. Me not like it either. That's why I do it. Me not like how I feel. Until me satisfy myself, me not go done. And I said, you know the funniest thing? It's how my cousin behave now. It's how my cousin behave now. I have no blood pressure, no headache. And me there, me and Dewey a ramp where I run up and down, run down. You ever see me and Dewey ramp it? If Dewey come and see me now, him jump on me on the bed, me jump on him and we ramp. And me and Dewey ramp and live happy and me head a tear off later. Oh, I want to my head. So, life is what you make of it. When the times come, you just take it as it comes. Blood pressure, me not have no blood pressure today. Me test my blood pressure and it normal. And me tell you next week when me alright and now cause my blood pressure. Me not look on the blood pressure. If my husband gone hide them family them. Me can't work out now with him. Me not work out now with him over the phone. I acknowledge him and speak to him. Me hear them I say me have mental health. If mental health, you sit down and you're depressed and clog up thing in you. And you feel sorry for yourself. And you feel ashamed of the world. Because you feel like the world is going to have a go at you. Have a go at me. And me on a laugh. You swear me see someone to write me laugh. I swear, God designed me different. But I say, what? You understand? Then you see something now and next time I say, no, I'm going to answer that woman. Hi, lady. Listen to me, I don't care what you want to say. You understand? When I feel you not do me good, but you not do me no good. I have to let it out. And then when I let it out now, I go back, go cool. You know how much people come babysit me last night? I will tell them, but that go nowhere. Who I care about go buy food, but say, but that go nowhere. Because I'm so complacent and relaxed in my bed. But let out the steam. So I put on back a new pot. You have to close one door before you open it. So you see that steam that when I let out now, it rehabilitates me, I rebuild. You have to know how to balance on energy, you know. You understand? So I do appreciate everybody. I look bad comments, but I appreciate because it clear. It either get you irritated or it make you struggle. But the fact that me appear now and I work with me. You understand? Yes, you lot are my employers. I don't know, that makes sense? No, it don't make no sense. When me depend into the war, and the next thing I want to ask, you know, the first thing I want to say, come off of the internet. You think of the internet I give me all the way I reach me? I'm a personal life, but I share it with you now. So I don't know, so I go class, I go laugh, I go chat, I go at a friend, I go have a cup of tea. I'm not dumb. Because I must say that challenge I'm putting to the test. See, like how I say, it's soon gone left the Queenie. Same guy me sure now. That's a true black strong woman. We believe in ourselves. We believe I'm great. So if when downfall come, me I go fall, me I go rise. I remember, you know, it's a girl power, I want powerful something. I got inspired me to say that, and I broke my heart, but my girl power exists on this, you know. Then my ball tea going on the day, me I cuss, I said the man broke my heart. I have the girl power, I said, girl power, couple of share, mommy, girl power, girl power. And it was International Women's Day. All I remember about girl power and empower it because I set that trend. I spell us without you. So the go where you left me sour. I S alone left, so I get sour. I'm not even beard. It's truth. I never ball for my husband I love me. Yeah. I see somebody say from them there, see my hotel. The man in that mood when him ready. I think about all him son. Me not take up that they burn the pan for my head. They want to use me for make me feel guilty. Me not take up that. You understand? Every dog have them day, you know. Today for me and tomorrow for you.
Alright, so see there, on the ear where Queenie office say, more wanna tell me this though, in the comment section. I wanna feel this I go in. I wanna feel like Queenie and Dewey are go work out things and get back together, or you feel like I hit that. Let me know in the comment section. May I look out for your comments. Watch out. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.